Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day. Today is actually the last food day of the Power Slim Nutrisystem box. If you guys haven't seen those videos, if you're interested in seeing everything that came in that box, I'm going to link that video up above. I'm also going to link some of those boxes down below from Amazon if you guys are interested in trying those. Also, if you guys want 50% off of a whole box through Nutrisystem, 50% off, that's pretty awesome. I'm going to leave the link down below. If you guys are interested in more health and fitness type of content, don't forget to subscribe down below. So first thing that we're going to start off with this morning is a smoothie that I've never tried out. I've had their protein shakes, their protein powders, but I've never had their they're kind of like strawberry, different flavored kind of shakes. So this one is a superfood smoothie mix. I guess I should say that, smoothie. Plant protein with kale, broccoli, strawberry, and spinach. It is 150 calories, 4 grams of total fat, and 6 grams of fiber, and 12 grams of protein. So I'm going to be making that. I'll show you guys what that looks like, and I'll be letting you guys know what that tastes like. Okay, so you can definitely have this with just some cold water and some ice, and you shake it up, and I'm sure it'll be really good, and that's what the instructions say in the back. But again, because it is 11 o'clock and I'm having my first meal right now because I've been homeschooling, and I drink coffee and I drink water in the morning, and I don't normally get hungry until about 10:30, and that's when I start thinking about what I'm supposed to be eating. So it's 11 o'clock already, and based on this little packet they give you guys in each of the boxes, so whether you're getting a 30-day supply, whether you're getting a 5-day supply, they always come with those, just so you can kind of get an idea of what you're supposed to be eating, or like how much of what you're supposed to be eating, power fuels and smart carbs. So I'm supposed to be eating a Nutrisystem breakfast entree with 1 power fuel, and then they give you an example like sliced almonds. But then you also have a morning snack, and by now technically I could be having my morning snack, which is another power fuel. They say we love Greek yogurt with cinnamon, or you can do a shake as your power fuel, like a protein shake. So what I've decided to do with mine is I'm actually going to add some milk. You can usually do fat-free milk, or again, I don't really drink cow's milk, so I either go with soy or coconut milk or almond milk. So I'm going to be doing that, and then on top of that I'm also going to be adding a cup of yogurt to the mix. I'm going to be adding a lot of ice, so it's going to be more of like a thicker smoothie. So it's combining my breakfast with my morning snack. This might not be for everybody, but I think this is just something that works really well for me, because even though this is my breakfast, I feel like this is something that's going to keep me full for a really long time because of the yogurt that's inside of it. For lunch, I'm going to have chicken noodle soup. So, let's see. This is, usually the nutrition stuff's in the front. This time it is not. 110 calories, 2 grams of total fat, 13 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of protein. Now, normally I would add just a little bit more chicken stock to this, maybe more celery and carrots. That way it makes a bigger serving. But today I'm not really that hungry, so I'm just going to be having this with some tea. This I picked up. It's actually pretty good. It's a little bit citrusy. I picked it up at Something's Brewing. I think that's just kind of a local place by us, though. It's just like a coffee bar. This is Energize, Revitalize, Metabolize. So it's kind of like a green tea blend, but it also has like orange peel, ginger, cinnamon. Let's see what else it says. High power, let's see, increasing fat oxidation. This blend supports metabolism. appetite and craving control, insulin sensitivity, and blood sugar levels, containing an anti-inflammatory compound that aids to protect against cell damage and mutation. Try it cold brewed to increase the maximum levels of antioxidants. So, and certified organic. So if you guys are interested in that, you can probably search them up online. Maybe I'll leave it linked down below for their coffee shop. But yeah, I've had this before, obviously. This is my second bag that I've gone through, and it's really, really good. Now, normally I would add just a little bit more chicken stock to this, maybe more celery and carrots. That way it makes a bigger serving. But today I'm not really that hungry, so I'm just going to be having this with some tea. This I picked up. It's actually pretty good. It's a little bit citrusy. I picked it up at Something's Brewing. I think that's just kind of a local place by us, though. It's just like a coffee bar. This is Energize, Revitalize, Metabolize. So it's kind of like a green tea blend, but it also has like orange peel, ginger, cinnamon. Let's see what else it says. High power, let's see, increasing fat oxidation. This blend supports metabolism, appetite and craving control, insulin sensitivity, and blood sugar levels, containing an anti-inflammatory compound that aids to protect against cell damage and mutation. Try it cold brewed to increase the maximum levels of antioxidants. So, and certified organic. So if you guys are interested in that, you can probably search them up online. Maybe I'll leave it linked down below for their coffee shop. But yeah, I've had this before, obviously. This is my second bag that I've gone through, and it's really, really good. By the way, I love doing tea this way. These. I'm going to steep that. I'm going to show you guys kind of what this looks like. So it comes with a lid that you have to take off. Obviously you can't put metal. It's like a little, metal rim. Can't put in the microwave. And then you put this on top. It has these little holes so that the steam comes out and it doesn't explode in the microwave. And then you just put it in for 45 seconds. And that's pretty much going to be it for my lunch. I don't think it completely heated up all the way. Probably going to have to heat it up a little longer. Okay, this is looking a lot more normal now. Actually smells pretty good. And it's really, really cold out because I live in Illinois and it's been snowing quite a lot. So I'm going to have this and I'm going to keep my tea nice and hot. This is perfect on a cold day. Alright guys, it's about that time. It's time to prepare dinner, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to make. I am not going to do the Nutrisystem pack that it came with because it came with this awful pasta that I've had before, twice before, and I absolutely hate. I already know I'm not going to eat it. So I'll show you that really quick, what it looks like, just so you know what is in the box. But I'm going to make my own pasta. Okay, so this is the pasta that the box comes with chicken pasta parmesan. It's 200 calories, 4.5 grams of total fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of protein. To me, this tastes like canned ravioli, and I really don't like that flavor, and I've mentioned that in several of my other videos before. Like, one of the things that I absolutely disliked about the Nutrisystem food, and that was one of them. So I'm going to bring you guys over here and show you guys what I'm substituting that with. And it's kind of like if you've ever gone on flex meals with Nutrisystem, you would just kind of have to figure out what your proteins are, what you're eating for vegetables, and all that stuff. So this might be a great time to show you guys how to do that. So these are all things that I'm going to be using for my meal. I put that out so that you can see you can either use your mussels, or this is some salmon. First we're going to start off with some butternut squash, and this is the kind that you can just, I believe, stick in your microwave, and it's just all done for you. So this is going to be one of my vegetables, butternut squash. 3 ounces is 20 calories. So I'm going to be doing some butternut squash. And then I'm going to be heating up some mussels. If you guys want nutrition facts on that. 1 serving is 3 ounces, so 90 calories, 16 grams of protein. My son over there laughing. 0 grams of carbs, and 2.5 grams of total fat. So it is high protein, low fats, good stuff. Another thing for veggies that I'm going to add in is sliced mini mushrooms, mini Bella mushrooms. So I'm going to saute these, and I'm going to saute them with some rosemary and just a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm also going to be adding a little bit of this sun-dried tomatoes, Italian basil, just because I think that it's going to taste really good with everything together. So a serving is 0.75 teaspoons, so you can't have too much of this without the calories adding up. But it's 15 calories, so I could probably do a couple of these. 1 gram of protein, 0 grams of total fat, 3 grams of carbs. So it's not too much of an add-in, but it's just like a little add-in on the side. And I'm going to saute this all up. And if you guys don't like mussels, like I said, you can use salmon. I'm going to show you what this looks like. I'll show you guys really quick just how those turned out. Beautiful. I'm going to be adding these in too. Alright guys, this is how it turned out. Looks pretty delicious. Now you guys can add a little bit more olive oil to drizzle on top if you'd like, or you could have sauteed this in a little bit of white wine, just tiny bits. And this would taste really good because seafood tastes great with a paired white wine. However, I opted not to do that, so I just used a little bit of olive oil. And that's going to be my dinner today. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you guys are interested in getting 50% off of Nutrisystem, the link is going to be down below in the description or the top of the comments. I hope this gave you guys some inspiration if you guys are on your own Nutrisystem journey or whether you want to try Nutrisystem. Also, hopefully it gave you some good ideas on some flex meals. I love you guys, I appreciate you, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.
And I'm feeling